I took my girlfriend Whitney to her very first air show, and I brought the camera along to film the whole thing. So join us for Spirit of St. Louis. What's up, Motoflight Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Spirit of St. Louis Airport Air Show. They have this every couple of years, and Whitney has never been to an air show or seen a jet with afterburner. So what do you think about all this?
It's overwhelming.
I can't wait to see her reaction when the Blue Angels do a sneak past, but we're gonna walk around and check out some of the static displays. Alright, so I think we're done walking around. We've seen all the static displays. Whitney's favorite is the Super Guppy. Yep. My favorite, F5 probably. I don't know. But we're headed up to our seats because the air show's getting ready to start, and it should be a good one.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the
B-29 Super Fortress on the takeoff roll from Airshow Center. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, the big B-29 Super Fortress, hull down. Immortalized in movies like Memphis Belle, as we watch coming down our show line right now. We do have the B-17 Flying Fortress in parade review after its takeoff. And after spending 50 years on the desert floor in California, Doc was rescued by a man named Tony Mazzoloni and brought back to Wichita in 2000. Hundreds of volunteers spent more than 450,000 volunteer hours to restore this warbird. It's powered by 4 big Wright 3,350 cubic inch, 2,200 horsepower per engine. Doc was restored to flying engine in 2016 and has now logged more than 400 flight hours over its 6 tour seasons. Doc is up. Scanners are up and running. Here is Moonbeam McSwine. Supermarine Spitfire. Bernie Vasquez flying the airplane today out of Minot, North Dakota. That is part of the Dakota Territory Air Museum. As he flies that airplane right on around, you'll notice that very unique wing that is known as the elliptical wing. As he flies it through one half of a Cuban 8 out here off of Airshow left, now extends into Airshow right. Now as Bernie comes right back down, brings that stick back into his lap, looks to the sky. You can see the D-Day invasion stripes on the wings of that airplane. He pops it across the top. Right there, going through about 2,800 feet. He tilts his head back in that bubble canopy, makes his wind corrections while inverted, executes one half of a 4-point hesitation while diving on a 90-degree line. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Bernie Vasquez in the beautiful Supermarine Spitfire. point. Hesitation roll. So, Jim Tobel doing a beautiful display of this beautiful F4U Corsair. Carving that sky right on around with a nice roll as he goes right down our show line. Listen to the rumble of that big 2,000 horsepower engine on the nose of the Corsair as he goes down our show line. F4U Corsair, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Jim Tobel. Isn't that beautiful? That is scoring 70-year-old Corsair coming down our show line. Great job, Jim. Coming by right now in high-speed review, that's Paul Wood. Paul Wood, and that is
From the right, the U.S. Navy Legacy Dedication Pass featuring the F4 Corsair flown by Jim Tobel from Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and the A4 Skyhawk flown by Paul Wood from Chicago, Illinois. People passing by, they can stop and say, oh my, but that little country boy can play. Go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, 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 Johnny, go, go. He's okay, team, let's ready, pull. Right back up into that gorgeous Spirit of St. Louis sky. And now let's rock and roll out there, ladies and gentlemen. There it is, the beautiful vertical starburst. There, the boss will call for the team to slide, and we will get a dynamic formation change as they will slide back into the V formation. So here they come, ladies and gentlemen, from your right, the Phillips 66 Aerostars and the line of press loop. Right on up and around. You can see Paul Hornick's head turn to the right as he goes right on up through. Right now the boss is okay, boys, let's slide right back in. Look at that, folks, a beautiful dynamic formation change. They are your Phillips 66 Aerostars. The Havilland Mosquito with a Hawker Hurricane off of each wingtip. Unbelievable view right there coming overhead. Ladies and gentlemen, a historic flight by. Right now, they are the Hurricanes on the wings and the Mosquito in the lead.
My distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the world's most technologically advanced 5th generation fighter, the F-35A Lightning II. The team commander and pilot for today's flight is Major Kristen Bale Wolf. Growing up in a military family, Major Wolf hails from all across America. She is a veteran combat fighter pilot with more than 1,300 hours in a fighter jet aircraft. The F-35 you are about to see is a supersonic, 9G capable, multi-role aircraft that combines cutting-edge stealth with the most advanced avionics system of any fighter aircraft in history. The F-35 gives the United States Air Force the power to dominate the skies, anytime, anywhere. For Freedom's Thunder on the High Speed Pass.
So I'm gonna get my shit rocked.
To another level.
Completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into a vertical climb.
right. Let's watch as Prometheus accelerates, smoke just exploding off the grass out there at Airshow Center. He goes into a series of left rolls, and he goes out there off of Airshow right as he extends off that right end zone. Keeping the faction fast, keeping it furious. You are watching Skip Stewart and Prometheus. Inverted, hanging by his seatbelts and shoulders, outside to once, twice, and 2.5 times. Covers, stuffs that nose down. Airspeed build. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Skip Stewart. Skip rolls the inverted. He's going to show you one of my very favorite maneuvers in the airshow world. That's the double hammerhead or the pinwheel in the sky. Step 3/4. Stops it right there. There's the 4th point. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Just before he slides backward. Let's watch, folks. Look at that. It just does a giant cartwheel and pinwheel in the sky. That's Skip Stewart, and that's some kind of flying.
Guess who just got back today? Them wild-eyed boys that had been away haven't changed, had much to say. But man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. I told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. It's a big town.
We be disturbing the peace, working, we serving the streets. About to go ahead, going beast. Bang, bang, leave you sleep.
Tick, tick, boom.
Hard body, and nice.
And it's hot if you came by her yacht, but still proud of what you got, cause when the day is done, redneck is from the sun, going up, down, up, down.
The Blue Angel C-130. That's Albert. Brakes now. Burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are an afterburner. Produces the 18-inch weight-to-canopy separation between these 4 aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel Diamond. Degrees angle of bank and push forward on the stick as they perform the opposing knife edge pass.
Be like stimulation to the female gender. Ain't nothing better, let me know when it's enough to enter. If not already, cause the future already depends on if you ever have the chance.
The Diamond Dirty Loop. vertically, showcasing the Super Hornet's turbo nose-low capability. From the right at 378 miles per hour, the Blue Angel S1 Parade. Gentlemen, the opposing horizontal rolls. The 5-plane wide abreast flat pass. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel vertical brake. The double tuck over roll. On their tails. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide the slow-speed handling that sets the Super Hornet apart in the air-to-air combat arena. Ladies and gentlemen, the section high output pass. Maintaining position as they roll 360 degrees over center point.
Some days you just breathe, just trying to break even. Sometimes your heart's pounding out of your chest, sometimes it's just beating. Some days you just forget, but all you've been given. Some days you just get by, and some days you're just alive, and some days you're living. I can never die. Blues a little bluer up in the sky. Your high's a little high. You feel that fire you've been missing.
As they pass over center point, you should get a good look at the Delta set used by the 5 wingmen. The Blue Angel Delta Breakout.
Amazing.
What about the sneak past though?
Scared the shit out of me.
So I ended up getting some awesome footage, at least I think I did anyways. That was a fantastic air show, and first time seeing the Blues and the Super Hornets. All I gotta say is it is loud.
Yeah.
Extremely loud, but freaking
Amazing.
awesome. Yeah, yeah. And Whitney got to experience a lot today.
Yes.
Never seen airplanes go upside down or heard afterburner.
Nope.
Mission successful, I think. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.
Blowing in the